And then one day, a virus arrived from China, and everything changed. Our faculties suddenly became empty. And the corridors, which typically were crowded of students looking for the room for the next lecture, became desert. Of course, at the beginning, we believed this was just a matter of a few weeks, but very soon we realized we had to invent new methods to teach to our students. At the beginning, we just improvised some lectures in our offices. This is actually my office, with some personal camera, some laptop. And of course, we try to give our best. This is myself teaching the very first week of pandemic of COVID-19. And in the meantime, our great technicians developed some better system. They created some television studios where we could broadcast with very high quality camera, with very nice audio, the lectures to our students through the YouTube channel. And in fact, if you go to our YouTube channel, the channel of our faculty, you can find dozens of courses, very high quality teaching, tens, hundreds of hours of teaching of our teachers of the faculty in the YouTube channel. This is just a random course I selected of sensors and measurement. You might watch it. They told me the teacher is quite good. And yes, we try to give our best, very nice camera, nice resolution, but one thing was still missing. One thing was not there: the students. For 3 semesters, I've been teaching in this kind of situation, without students. And for 3 semesters, I couldn't watch the students in their faces. I couldn't see in their eyes the struggle when they were thinking, what is this guy talking about? I don't understand. It doesn't work. A few months later, a student of mine, my bachelor student, had to prepare for his state exam. So we spent several days in my office, morning to evening, revising the topics for the state exam. And this was something different, because in these hours, he had all these sort of epiphanies where he finally understood the topics he didn't understand in the previous 3 years. He was there and saying, oh, that's why. This was something different. It was not just a lecture A to Z with the nice and clean and flawless explanation. There was something different in that lecture. The student was there with his struggle. He was living an experience that probably also the other students at home are experiencing. And at the end of one of these lectures, I was thinking, what if we had a camera here, recording real life of what you are doing here? It might be useful. And that's why I invented this format, Lecture Cafe. A few weeks ago, another student, Mr. Schutte, who is here with us today, came to me and asked me, hey man, can we just repeat what we did with Patrick last year? Because I have also to prepare for my state exam. Can we prepare together? I said, cool, yes, no problem. But this time we will do it with the camera. It will be real, because this guy has really to pass his state exam. It will not be scripted, because we will be there, and if he makes mistakes, that's fine. That's the purpose why he will be there. It will be rough. It doesn't need to be a perfect explanation A to Z. It will be real life. It's a new way to teach, where the student is at the center of the lecture. Will it work? I don't know. Will Byron pass the state exam? I hope so. Do you want to find it out? Well, grab your coffee and follow us on Lecture Cafe.